Welcome to the lesson on force. You will be able to define force. Identify the effect of force on an object. Identify the types of forces.
I'm trying to push this table to the corner.
You are trying to apply force.
Force? What is force?
I will explain it to you in detail. In a football match, how does a goalkeeper stop a ball? A hockey player changes the direction of the moving ball with his hockey stick. How does all of this happen? In both these cases, force is applied. When you pull the door, then also you apply force. In science, a push or a pull on an object is called a force. Must interact for a force to come into play. When you push a box, you are interacting with the box. When the man pushes the car, he applies a force on it.
What about when Ravi and I push each other while playing?
When both of you push each other, then both of you apply force onto each other. When the man pulls the log, he also applies force. Force acts on an object, then the effect on the object is due to the net force acting on it. Juhi, when you push this box, you apply a force F1 on the box in one direction. If I also push this box with you, then I apply a force F2 on the box in the same direction. The forces applied on an object in the same direction add to one another. Hence, the net force is equal to sum of F1 and F2.
What would happen, Mom, when you pushed from the opposite end?
If the two forces act in the opposite directions on an object, the net force acting on it is the difference between the two forces. Hence, the net force is equal to F2 minus F1 because F2 force is greater in magnitude than F1. The strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude.
Does it mean that the net force on an object is zero if the two forces acting on it in opposite directions are equal?
Yes, that is correct, Juhi. It is at rest, and so its speed is zero. When a player kicks a football, the ball moves towards the goal. The goalkeeper dives or jumps up to save the goal. He applies a force on the moving ball. The force applied by him can stop or deflect the ball. A change in either the speed of an object or its direction of motion, or both, is described as a change in its state of motion. Thus, a force may bring a change in the state of motion of an object. Object may change its shape. When a force is applied on the clay to make a toy, then the shape of the clay changes.
Like when a spring is pulled, the spring gets elongated and its shape changes.
That's right.
What are the different types of force?
There are two types of forces: contact force and non-contact force. When we lift a bag holding it, then to apply a force, our body has to be in contact with the object. This is contact force. Force exerted by a magnet on a piece of iron is a non-contact force. The magnet exerts a force on iron pieces without being in contact with them. Contact force can be further classified into muscular force and friction force. Non-contact force can be classified into magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force.
Now I understand. When I push a shopping cart or when I lift a bag, force is caused by the action of muscles in our body.
Yes, the force resulting due to the action of muscles is known as the muscular force. A football in motion gradually slows down and finally comes to a stop. The ball gradually slows down due to the force of friction. The force of friction always acts opposite to the direction of motion.
I understood. The force of friction between the surface of the ball and the ground brings the moving ball to rest. The force exerted by the magnet is called magnetic force.
Yes, attraction or repulsion between objects can be seen as another form of pull or push. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. The comb gets charged when comes in contact with dry hair. It can attract small pieces of paper because of electrostatic force. Objects or things fall towards the earth because earth pulls them. This force is called the force of gravity. Water begins to flow towards the ground as soon as we open a tap. A fruit always falls down towards the earth. Force of gravity is an attractive force. All the planets in the solar system revolve around the sun due to this force of gravity.